Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Pascal from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna begin with drawing a semicircle line across for the top of his head. And I'm gonna extend the line down on the side and extend it out at the cheek and back in. And on the right side I'm going to draw a similar shape. And at the lower point I'm going to draw across a curved line. At this point I'm going to draw across a curved line and another line at the top point right here. And for his ear I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this point at the side, and we're gonna do the same thing inside of that, and I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. And in the middle of the face I'm going to draw across a semicircle line right there, and I'm going to extend it down on the side, semicircle turn back to the middle point right there. And for the nose I'm going to draw a circular shape across at this point right there. I'm going to copy the same shape on the right side here. And below the nose I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one beside that, and I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side as well. Now for his eye I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this corner, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Above the eye I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and we're gonna thicken that up. We're gonna do the same thing on the right side again. And below the mouth I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. And below the head I'm gonna draw a curved line out and turn it downwards, and a semicircle turn at the tip and back up. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. And around the shoulder I'm gonna draw a curved line down and another one beside that. And at the lower point I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across and a line at this point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. And for his necklace I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point and another one at the side, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side here. And for the scallop pendant I'm gonna draw across the line at this point, turn it down on both sides, and a curved line down to the side, and a semicircle line across at the lower point right there. And at the waist point I'm gonna draw a line at the side here, and below his hand I'm gonna draw a circular shape at the side and turn it, and a curved line down and a curved line outwards, turn back to the center and back up in the middle. I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the middle point right there, and I'm gonna draw a few curved lines at the front part of his toes, one right there and another one right there. And at this point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side here. Now for his tail, I'm gonna draw from the right side a curved line out, semicircle turn back in to that point.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.